Forget dry, flavorless chicken breast. This honey soy glazed filet is about to become your go-to weeknight dinner. With how good this recipe is, it's also surprisingly easy to make. First, prepare your chicken breast, of course. Next, make a series of diagonal cuts. This will help with sauce absorption. Season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. Try to make it evenly, helping with hands if necessary. Now dredge in flour. Press it gently so it sticks. If you love high-protein dinners like this, make sure to subscribe. Once the oil in the pan is hot and shimmering, lay the chicken in. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip it over. The golden crust should be noticeable. Another 3 to 4 minutes should do the magic. While the chicken is finishing, prepare your garlic. Can't go wrong with garlic, and this recipe is no exception. Cut some green onions while you're at it. We'll need them for later. Now, add some butter to the pan, cut garlic, and the most important step, a tablespoon of honey, some soy sauce, and generous squeeze of lemon. Start spooning it over the chicken, over and over, basting every inch so it gets completely coated in that gorgeous glaze. Cover with a lid and cook for another 5 minutes, and it's ready for serving. Some mashed potatoes would go nice with it. Just look at that. Top with green onions. Pour a little more sauce on top. And look at that. Golden, lacquered, glistening. Perfectly juicy, perfectly tender chicken. There is no way I will cook chicken breast any other way than that from now on. Save this recipe for your next dinner. You are going to want it.